Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this headphone adapter from Google. So I bought this from Best Buy for $14.99. I'm trying to look for Samsung brand, but it's out of stock. And I check on Amazon, it cost around $35 Canadian dollars. This one is only $14.99, so I might as well try this. When I asked that guy in the Best Buy, he told me that this one will work for my Note 10 Plus. So let's see what will happen. So let's start by opening this box. And all right. Okay, let's see. I remember I bought one from online. I think it's from Wish, but it did not work. But still, I got my refund from that one, so no worries. So that's what's inside. Be around what, 2 inches of that adapter, and then you also have some of this, I don't know, maybe a warning, safety, compliance, etc, etc. So now this is what I'm after, and this is my Note 10 Plus. And then USB-C, and I will use my wife's headphone. This is for Apple. I left my old headphone jack, and here, okay, it's hard. Let's try. Okay, snap on. Right now I'm using the 3.5mm jack, and this is to test the mic capability of the headphone jack. I'm wondering if this can work for the mic purpose or if this is just for headphone. But it says in the monitor, I mean in my phone, it says starting recording using the headphone or the connected device. So let's check now. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, I can hear my voice clearly, so I think this is a good buy. I mean, very good product for what I intend to use. Since it's working with the headphone, I'm 100% that it will work with my lapels. Yeah. And let's try to listen to the music, or maybe somewhere here. Sound is clear, and even my voice recording is clear. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm using the 3.5mm jack, and this is to test the mic capability of the headphone jack. I'm wondering if this can work for the mic purpose or if this is just for headphone. But it says in the monitor, I mean in my phone, it says starting recording using the headphone or the connected device. So let's check now.